try this GoPro microphone. We're in a 2017 BMW S1000rr. It's gonna go to Eurocycle just to look at for some helmets. It's windy. I hope you don't hear it on the GoPro. 5 degrees. It's not bad with the my mesh Dainese jacket. Testing this HJC rpha 11 Spiderman. It cuts through the air, it cuts through the wind, no problem. It's slightly noisy, but I'm not wearing any earplugs right now, so it's not bad. Way better than my Corsair 5, too noisy. X14, I tried the X14 small size, pretty good too. It cuts through the wind. Forgot about the noise. Yeah, it's similar, but man, that thing is way heavy. This HJC is under 3 pounds, I believe, on the small size. Medium is about 3.02 pounds or 3.12 pounds. I'm very happy with this. Got it at a discount, 248 bucks. You can't beat that. It was like 600 bucks when they just came out. Traffic today. It's traffic in Las Vegas. 215, Highway 215, going west. Kailangan kita ng indicator here for your cycles. I was gonna buy the Aprilia there, but I was offering to buy 14 out the door, the Aprilia Tuono 2017, but they wouldn't budge. I got this BMW for $14,250 out the door, 2017, with 3,700 miles on it, with a premium package, forged wheels, forged AP wheels, electronic suspension, quick shifter with a down blipper, cruise control, heated seat, heated grips, ABS cornering, and all the goodies, lean angle stuff, wheelie control, and all that stuff. So much electronics on this thing, it can drive by itself. Or ride by itself, actually. I'll get exit here. Oh wow, what the heck? What was that? The thing hit the shield, not the helmet. Oh, your cycle's just right there. Nice. Okay, downshifting without clutch. Awesome. Hear the bubble rumble. I just got a slip-on this, the GP Akrapovic. 250 RPM. 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 I'm still debating if we should buy the headers for it, but then gotta get the fuel management system if I do that. So I don't know, I don't want to spend like almost $1,000, but I can put it on by myself professionally. Used to work on cars for 25 years, so putting on exhaust on a bike is no problem. And I got all the tools and the jack stands, you know, but $1,000, I don't know. And 1,600, that's for a stainless steel. If you want titanium headers, yeah, that's about like 1,600 large. Too much money, I think, for how many, 5-7 horsepower. I don't know, but if it's worth it. Are they even open today? Oh yeah, they're open. I was gonna go to the ooh, there you are, looking beautiful. Nice. Just have to get a good boots, riding boots. I'm Filipino, I'm short, I'm about like 5'6", so all the motorcycle boots, they're so low. I have to tiptoe more on my bike, and I didn't want to lower my bike, you know. Changes the performance of the bike handling. Okay, let's go for now.